Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Q and I'm back with another party. And again, I am throwing my last minute birthday party. I did some stuff around 2-3 o'clock in the morning and I did the rest this morning. So this is the last minute party. I would have done a lot more. I do tend to try and go overboard, even though we're not even having any guests, you guys. But I still want to make my little one happy. He is turning 8 years old. You guys see that? Yes, I even included in the traffic sign. So yes, he's turning 8 years old and he wanted a Cars themed party, and that is what I went for. So I'm gonna go around and show you what I did, and if you guys are interested in seeing what I did, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so when he first comes down the steps, he is going to see this customized speed limit of 8 because he did turn 8 today. I can't believe it, and I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna try and just push forward because my kids are just growing up too fast. But anyways, so yeah, so I made this traffic sign. I just made it on my computer and I took out the regular, I think it was like 55, and I removed that and put the 8 for his age. I have my flag banner like this, and you guys, I have a funny story about this banner. I don't want anyone talking about me, but from here it looks great. I love it. The flags are big. They're really big. I love it. But one bad thing about it is that it is only single-sided. So if you can tell here, it's backwards, going all the way across the room. And you know what? I didn't feel like cutting this thing up to make it work. So again, there's no guests coming. It's just my little family and we're going to make it work. And trust me, my 8-year-old is not even going to care about the flags being backwards. But if you guys are interested in doing something like this, make sure that you either buy a flag that is double-sided or take your time and cutting it to the length of the room that you want, so that way you can do it front facing for all areas. All right, so let's move on. Where do I start first? Because it's so exciting, to be honest, you guys. Let's see. Oh, right here. I love this. I think this kind of makes the whole thing. We have our road right here, and I have my cones, and this is actually 2 little roads that I purchased, so that way I can do like a little T form. So I have that, and I have my cones and the pack of cones that I bought, and I'll put a link in the description of all the things that I did purchase. Some things I did have from home or I made it myself, but I'll include that in the descriptions. But these cones were great because it came with a lot of cones. All right, so what's next? I have a few balloons. Now I was gonna do a balloon column, but I got tired. And yeah, I think I have enough in here where a balloon column is not necessarily needed, but I would have done it if I had more time. And let's get to the table setting. All right, so my table setting is this red tablecloth right here, and this is like, I think it's like cotton. Yeah, cotton tablecloth. And this is like my plastic checkered racing tablecloth I do on top. I have my Dollar Tree plates, Dollar Tree cups, and my Dollar Tree napkins. I am a big fan of the Dollar Tree. If you guys are a subscriber to my channel, which I think you should, and I use a lot of Dollar Tree products. So I have that. My chair covers, I've already had these, but I put these on. Love them because they are the nylon chair covers that don't move because they stay onto the legs of the chairs. Let's see. Oh, let's go here. Now I whipped this up, you guys. So this is nothing. Like, I could have done a lot better job, but this is what I did so far. I took just some plain boxes and I do some tablecloths on them. I didn't even wrap them. I should have wrapped them like black wrapping paper, but I don't have any. It's okay. Again, he's not going to care. But I did the first, second, and third place and put a couple of these cones on top because, again, my bag of cones did come with a lot. I had these extra stars from other parties. I just threw them up just to add something to the wall. Here I took the same plastic tablecloth and just threw it up on my wall, kind of folded it over a bit, so that way we can kind of use it for like a picture backdrop, so we can take some pictures. Here's our gift table. And I think I'm gonna put the cake here once I make the cake, you guys. Like, my son is literally in school, and I need to go ahead and make this darn cake because that's gonna be a challenge. But anyway, here's my stop sign right here. And I'm gonna put a video up on how I made my stop sign and also how I made my traffic light sign, which is so cute. I just love this thing. So I have that. And my backdrop, I used 2 yellow on the ends for Cruise, because it's supposed to be a Lightning McQueen, Cruise, and Jackson Storm, which I had to learn all about birthday party. But I got the yellow, I got the red, and I didn't throw too much black in here, but it's okay. All right, so then I have this backdrop. To be honest, I'm not happy with this backdrop for 2 reasons. One, it's too short, it's too small. Yeah, for those reasons, I don't like it. Actually, there's another reason too. And it's my fault because I should have paid attention to the actual dimensions, but I was in a rush just ordering things at the last minute. Also, you guys, look at this. I think that is German. I don't know. I don't know, but again, my kids aren't gonna pay attention to it. But yeah, so I need to just pay more attention when I'm ordering things and stop just ordering anything from online, because I tend to do that a lot. I have my uplights right here, which I think adds a little to the room. And let's see, on my table, I forgot. I have some more of these cones. And then I have these flags. Now these flags, let's see, these flags are actually, these stands right here are actually my balloon stands, which if you guys check out some of my videos, you'll see that I use these balloon stands for pretty much everything. They're so easy to work with. And I use them in a variety of ways, because these flags actually come like this. And all I did was take my balloon stand and just stick that in there, and voila, instant centerpieces, you guys. I mean, what more can you ask for? Because I was gonna make centerpieces and cut them out and attach them to boxes and all that kind of craziness, but again, ran out of time, last minute birthday party, and I still think this looks rather cute, and it still goes with the whole theme. So I think that pretty much wraps it up, you guys. And once my kids finish school, we're gonna come down here and have a cute little party and and do it up. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please put a comment below on if you like this design, or if you got any ideas from it. And that is it. If you're not a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I will chat with you in the next one. Take care, you guys.
Take care, Mommy.
Okay.
Daddy, let's go away. Daddy.
All right, Kason, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go, Mommy.
Come on.
Daddy, where'd it go?
My what?
Car.
Cars. Oh.
Woo! This is so much.
How do you like it, boo?
Yay!
How do you like it?
Yay! We can straight that route.
Wait, look, Kason.
What's the great volume road?
I see lightning. Chicken.
Duck Hudson.
Daddy,
Duck Hudson. Chickens.
I'm a king. Let's get clear. And sheriff, how's the sheriff going?
Hey. So big one.
You do? He said I like it, Molly.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
my open eyes.
Are you okay? Okay.
Now take her.
There you go. Kason, do you like it?
Mama can't like it.
He like Kayla. Kay, do you like it?
Yay.
Yay!
Mama Shark's birthday, baby Shark's birthday.
I know. Remember, we had a baby shark birthday for you. Kason, look. What is this called?
Let me stop.
When it was
Yes, traffic light.
Mommy Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen, traffic light.
Lightning
Ooh, look
McQueen.
at
Yeah, you see your stop sign.
this. Look at this.
Look, Kason, who's gonna be first? Look,
Present.
look, who's gonna be first, second, and third? Who's gonna win the race?
Wait.
Look, Snakebite's the winner.
He's the winner?
Yeah, he's driving in.
Okay.
I know.
Third.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, look, Mayor.
I see. And look, Kason, watch, look at this. Come here.
Okay, look.
Okay, look. No, just look. Speed limit. What number is that?
8.
Because you're 8 years old.
Look.